Good afternoon, everyone. It is Wednesday afternoon, fifth period here at KIT Iizuka. This is English 7C, and we have a few things that I want to discuss. Number one, last week we tried to get everyone to work on using counter, and we had problems with the people who have Android phones. But I found an alternative to Android phones here on this software. So we'll make sure that everybody has counter on their phones, and we'll be able to do what I wanted to do last week. We'll do that in a little bit. I looked at the schedule for the rest of the time that we have, and looking over here, last week was June 19th, and this week is June 26th. So after this week, really, we only have July 3rd, July 10th, and July 17th, and that's it. After that, on the 24th, on July 17th, we already have a test, okay? That will be our Moodle test. The Moodle test will test basically what you did in the second half of the class, much like the midterm test, and then you'll have a conversation test on July 24th. And this time, you're going to have more topics, okay? But basically, it won't be very different, but you're going to have, you're going to have more topics to choose from. And I will be able to choose from them as well. So you'll have more things that you have to keep in mind. But basically, it'll be the same kind of conversation test we had before. But before then, we have today's work, okay? And then today's work will basically be your reflection. Again, one more video. I want you to watch it, and then I want you to write something down as an answer, take a picture, and upload that to Moodle. This one is about social media, or as in Japanese, you say SNS. And lately, I use social media too. I use Facebook, a little bit of Instagram, but more and more, I'm kind of thinking that social media is a really bad idea. And probably some of you think so too, but I want you to watch the video, think about an answer, send that up to Moodle. You also have a vocabulary quiz, number 5, almost the last one. Okay, this one is for units 9 and 10, which we took a look at last week. And this week for shadowing, that will be our warm-up. And this one might be a little bit difficult, but if you haven't yet put this on your Moodle, access it right now on your phone and get ready to do the shadow talking for that. Okay, if you have any questions about anything, you can always contact me at jdmcruz@gmail.com. Otherwise, you can talk to me in class. Let's have a good class, everybody. Okay, why does this always happen? Okay, there it is.